What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Land Since a Lifestyle. I just finished up my first breeder box, so give you a quick introduction of my breeder box. We got the food tray. You can feed this, load it up from the outside. You don't have to worry about opening the cage, letting your birds out. Bam. It's the food tray. I'm gonna put a water bottle on the outside. We got a perch on the right, perch on the left, the floor, just got that. Got a perch going across the way, a little perch right there. So this is gonna be for 2 pair. We got the nest boxes up top. This was an old dog kennel. My neighbor threw it out on the side of the road, and I picked it up and built my first breeder box. So, what y'all think of the breeder box? It's about 90% done. I might throw a bird in there tonight. I'm gonna throw that grizzle. Throw a grizzle in there. Probably pair him up with one of my whites. This door open up on 2 sides. You can open it up from this side. Bam. I got this piece of plywood I'm gonna put across the back. I already got it cut out to fit the back side. Try to stop a lot of that air from coming in since it's getting cold. Bam, nest box. So what you think? What y'all think about my first breeder box? I'm gonna cover up, probably cover up like 3 sides since it's getting so cold and windy lately. The back for sure, this side for sure, and maybe use, I don't know, maybe a tarp or something on the other 2 sides, because these are the 2 sides that open the door. So might have to leave that open. This is the grizzle I'm putting in there. He has been lonesome for a while. The one sitting on top of the door, he's going in there. It's my 2 pair that's produced me all of the blackbirds and all of the blue bars. It's a cockbird, the grizzle. It's a blue bar and black paired up, these 2 pair. So get him out of there today. So I just need him a mate. So all the blackbirds in my loft came out of their prisoner coop. Them 2 look like they paired up. I got 6 babies in here that hatched out last week. They all about 2 days apart. Got a pair up there from the whites. That's my first pair of blacks. What's a black and a blue bar that's paired up right there. And then Houdini, his baby mama. I'm waiting on them two to get a nest box and pair up. I don't know what she doing in there. Oh, and we got some eggs up there with Big Head. That's Big Head right there. Big Head and the white paired up. That's one of they babies, Miracle. Miracle done jumped in that nest box. She gonna have to get up out of there. What? We got two birds in there first time. I don't know, they just jumping from box to box. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. All my new subscribers appreciate it. I got a giveaway coming up soon. Stay tuned. Peace. It's a lifestyle. What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Lands, it's a lifestyle. My neighbor just came and told me one of my birds is injured. I just let him out for a quick little release, a little short toss. So my neighbor came and told me that one of my birds hit the power line. He saw him hit the power line and he injured. He been standing there for about 10-15 minutes. So he just came and got me, so we're gonna go catch him. It's one of my whites, probably a young bird. So we're gonna try to catch him. We're gonna throw him in the my little breeder's pen that I just finished. Throw him in there, see can we doctor on him, get him back right, and then hopefully he'll be better. We can throw him in the big loft. All right, gang, I caught the bird. His wing is injured. Hit the power line. One of my whites. I'm gonna put him in this breeder's pen. See can he heal up. Oh, that's an old bird. That's a 2022. He should know better. It's one of my old birds. He don't get out and fly much though. So he know what the power line is now. I'm gonna put him in my, it's the first bird in my breeder's pen. I'm gonna just put him in here since it's complete. Try to doctor him back to health. Maybe take a week or so, hopefully. So what y'all think? Let me know. Will he get back to flying again? Will he be slow flying? Will he be 100% healthy and back, ready to go with the flock and go 100 miles? What y'all think? This is my first bird that's been injured and survived. So, I mean, by a power line. So let me know. I got the breeder's pen finished. Put that little spool in there for them to stand on. 2 nest boxes. 2 perches. Well, 3 perches. And this little stick is for them to stand on so they can eat their food right there. They can stand on that, eat their food. It's my first breeder's pen. Food from the outside. So I have to put their water in. Got 2 doors. Nest bowls. So, what y'all think about the breeder's pen? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.